Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels freezing problem or Instagram Reels crashing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. You make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi or mobile data network connection. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected or stable connection. Step 5. Again open your Instagram app. Click on Reels icon. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram Reels freezing problem or Instagram Reels crashing problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.